Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Big block tri-power time. We have a 1968 Corvette 427, 400 horsepower with the tri-power carbs, 4-speed, 355 posi rear end. And this is a just finished nut and bolt body off frame restoration, and it is numbers match, and it's from California. Clean rust-free frame, number match to the car also. And we have all the photos of the restoration process. Go to volocars.com. You can look at all the pictures, you can study the description, and you can find prices on all of our cars, including a monthly finance payment. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, top is down, let's go for a spin. Go to our website and look at the undercarriage pictures. Under this car is ridiculous. It is pristine. First of all, he said it was a California car, took the body off the frame. The chassis, he said, was immaculate. It's smooth, it's not even pitted. So he had all this chassis components powder coated. Every component underneath there was gone through. All of the suspension, bushings, ball joints, springs, shocks, you name it, is rebuilt and detailed. He had all the body bushings, the hardware was zinc plated. He really was careful to reuse the original car, not just buy new reproduction stuff. Four-wheel disc brakes, the brake system's completely redone, all new hoses, brake lines, calipers. I already said the suspension's completely redone. Does have gas shocks. He did upgrade it with that. You look up at the motor, it's absolutely immaculate. The motor mounts, starter, fuel pump, all that looks new. It has the number matching Muncie 4-speed transmission. The shift linkage was rebuilt. The clutch, pressure plate, throw-up bearing was all replaced. Flywheel was resurfaced. Drive shaft was rebuilt. Transmission was opened up, inspected. New fluid, resealed. Transmission, or the rear end, same thing. It's the original rear end. It's a 355 posi. It was opened up, fluid, inspected, serviced. The fiberglass floors are pristine. Spare tire carrier looks like new. So under this car is immaculate. The dual exhaust system looks like the factory type with the round chrome tips going right out through the valance. So yeah, the underside of this car, you could eat off of it. The body, in real nice shape, has the 427 raised hood. Body fits real nice, headlights fit real nice. It all lines up really well. The gaps are great. I don't see any damage or signs of repair. All this is really nice. All this intersection right here fits beautifully. Everything fits real nice. I don't see any damage. I don't see any repairs. I don't see anything but good things to talk about. Gaps are right on. Really nice, straight. Fits real nice. It's rare that all of this fits as good as this one does. All nice and clean. So the body appears to be in excellent shape. A lot of times you'll see bumps along here from the rivets underneath. I don't see that with this one. It's repainted its original Silverstone color. It's a metal flake silver. The metal flake is laid out evenly. It all looks good. It has some texture, a little bit of what we call orange peel. It could probably be wet sanded and buffed one more time to be really slick. The way it is right now is probably how it was when it was brand new, but to take it further than that, maybe one more wet sand. The bumpers, he said actually they've probably been re-chromed, but he said this is the chrome that he got with the car when he bought it, and he reused them because it all looks so nice. So everything up here is really good. It has the weather shields protecting the headlights that are down here. Windshield's replaced. The rest of the glass is new. This chrome looks real nice. He had this chrome sent out and re-chromed, and he had the stainless repolished. You know, another example of preserving the original. You could have just bought a new one, but he had them re-chromed. These got nice chrome. Does have the deluxe wheel covers with radial tires. Yeah, bumpers, same as what he got with the car. They're beautiful. Correct antenna. Black convertible top is new. It's a little wrinkled. You know, it's not tight as a drum, but it's a new top in real nice shape, functional. Why don't we open it up, see what it's like inside. So the door jambs are painted, weather strips are replaced. Door panel looks to be in very good shape. Might be the original door panel. Doesn't look new, but I don't see any issues with it. The dash pad is in real nice shape. The instruments are very clean. The lenses are clear. And everything he claims is working. He rebuilt the clock. He sent the original stereo out to be rebuilt. Looks like a new heater control panel. Has the correct lockout 4-speed shifter. Interior lights work. Carpet is new. The seats, I think the bottom cushions he said he recovered. Actually, the back upholstery is still the original. He was all about preserving what he could. Now we're going to show you behind the seat, if I remember where to open it. Well, I think I'll just cheat and open the lid. Now the lid is open. Convertible top, you can see, is completely restored. These compartments are supposed to be carpeted, so it looks like someone made these out of wood. The light works inside there. There's the jack. So these doors are wrong, but they seem to be very functional. There's keys for each one. You can lock them. It's all painted nicely in here. So very nice original. Some new, some of it well preserved. This is a VIN number matching, correct motor, date codes, casting, everything lines up properly. It was completely rebuilt by a professional company. The carburetors, the 3 carbs, they're hiding underneath the air cleaner. They were sent out to an expert in Seattle. They were completely restored. They function and look like new. This has the original shielding, so there is some age on the chrome. It has the complete smog system. Usually that is missing. And you might have noticed the valve covers are not correct. They're Mickey Thompson finned aluminum valve covers, but they're actually period correct, and they've been restored. They actually look really good on there. The latches, the vacuum stuff for the headlights and wipers, the master cylinder, a lot of parts have been rebuilt or restored. It has the correct hose clamps. The radiator was sent out and re-cored. It's very detailed in here. Very, very nice looking engine compartment. So, in a nutshell, it's a really good car. The gentleman I got it from, I've over the years gotten several Corvettes from him. He restores them himself, so he's much more than an amateur, but it's not that high-end Corvette restoration shop. I have another Corvette done by a Corvette shop, and the bill back like 10 years ago was $108,000 just to restore the car. So it's not at that level. But let me tell you what, it's a really nice car. I noticed both doors shut real nicely too. And when I back it out and run it, I already did that. You'll hear and see it runs great. Headlights work. Wiper door always works. It didn't close in the video. It closed when I pulled it in. Might need some adjustment or something. But he did take pride in saying that he got everything working on the car. He went through it very thoroughly. So you got a number match, tri-power, 4-speed, California car. We even have a picture of the hidden VIN number stamped on the frame, so you know it's the right frame for this car too. It has the NCRS shipping report, which tells you when it was sold and where it was sold to, what dealership it originally went to. So there you have it. Really nice example of a Corvette Roadster big block. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs and study the pictures and talk to the salesman, ask them your questions. They'll help you the best they can. They can help get this delivered to your door. They can help you finance it too, at volocars.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.